Unto the Lord be the glory. Great things he has done. Unto the Lord be the... My son.
Good day, sir.
Bless you, my son. As you can see, you are walking.
As you can see, sir, I'm walking before, but I'm hungry.
Oh, you mean you have not eaten?
I'm hungry.
Okay. Come closer. Go on your name, my son. What you need now is heavenly blessings. Father, in the name of Jesus, as your son is walking, let him eat the fruit of his labor. Let him be showered with blessings. Receive it. You are blessed, my son.
Thank you.
Continue the good work. Great things he has done.